Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's China Doll here. So look what finally came in the mail. My iPhone 12 Pro in Pacific Blue. Like I ordered this a couple weeks ago and it's just finally coming in. So I'm gonna do a little unboxing video. I'm so excited to finally upgrade my iPhone. So take off all the wrapping. Ooh. Oh wow, look at this color. Just and so taking it out the box, this is what it looks like on the outside. It has the 3 cameras. I really like this new blue color that they brought out, because usually when I get new iPhones, I'm normally getting like the black or silver kind of color iPhones, and I decided to get the new Pacific Blue. I really like this blue. It's nice. Taking off this paper wrapping on the front. So this is what it looks like on the front, and then the side, and then the back. One thing I do miss though is that, you know, they don't provide with the new iPhones. They don't have the little, they don't have headphones anymore. In the box, it only comes with the cable cord. And also, it doesn't come with the little block charger. So make sure like you save yours from your last phone or something, because you would have to buy that separate. Because literally, this is all it comes with the box. It's just the cord, and like this is just paper. Oh well, actually, it does come with this little thing, which is the comes with this little piece, which of course that's how you take the SIM card in and out. Oy. But the thing is, I wish that like they would at least lower the price, you know, like Apple, they're giving us less in the box now, but they're still charging the same price. So for this base, which starts off at 128 gigabytes, is about $1,000. Like I wish it would be cheaper since they're providing less in the box, but Apple decides that, you know, just want to be less and the box is smaller. And but the main reason why I got this iPhone was mainly for the cameras. Like my current iPhone that I had before this one was the 10, and I've been with Apple since the iPhone 4, I believe. So I want a better camera, because like, especially like, you know how I'm always going on my trips or like in the theme parks and stuff like that, and especially at nighttime, I love taking photos. I'm into photography, so this was a nice upgrade for me. I mean, it feels the same as like the old iPhone I have. The only, like I said, only because this is, I can show you my old one. So this is the current 10 that I have, and it just has 2 cameras, and this one has 3. But on the side, let's see, I want to compare them different. So it's a little different on the sides too, because as you can see, on the iPhone 12, them have 2 buttons right here, and this is only 1. And then on the other side, wait, hold on, take that back. Actually, it's 2 different. It is still 2 buttons. Sorry, take that back. But they're the where you put the SIM cards a little bit lower on this side compared to the 10. And then of course the back screen, this one on the 10, it has the glass kind of thing, and this is like a, I don't even know what you call it, but I just like it. The format of it is really nice. So have you guys already got the new iPhone or planning on getting it? Let me know in the comments below. So I'm really excited to try it out. It just feels nice and sleek. I just wish, like I said, that they would lower the price since they don't include the little charger block no more, or headphones. But yeah, this is it so far. Can't wait to use it. The color is nice. It feels nice. A lot of people always ask why I don't just get the 12 Pro Max instead of the regular 12. The thing is, I don't like the big Pro phones because it feels like an iPad in my hand. I like a phone that's like side of my hand I can put in my pocket, and it's just convenient for me because, you know, I have small hands, and I don't really like big phones. The only thing me like big is a big appetite because me love to eat. I know what you guys thinking, dirty minds. But yeah, now I don't have to like beg my friend to use them phones every time I'm in the parks or, you know, when I go on my trips. No, and I don't have to get like a fancy camera. You know, just most of my pictures are taken with the iPhone anyways. So this works out great. If you guys enjoyed this little video, give me a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.